The importance of Islam is multifaceted and holds significant meaning for its followers and the world at large. Here are some key aspects highlighting the importance of Islam. Spiritual guidance. Islam provides a comprehensive spiritual framework that guides its adherents in their relationship with God, Allah. The teachings of Islam emphasize monotheism, belief in one God, and the importance of developing a deep and personal connection with the Creator through prayer, fasting, charity, and other acts of worship. Moral and ethical principles. Islam sets forth a strong moral and ethical code that governs the behavior of its followers. The principles of justice, compassion, honesty, and humility are central to Islamic teachings, promoting a just and harmonious society. Universal message. Islam is considered a universal religion with a message for all of humanity. It is not limited to a particular race, ethnicity, or geographical location. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, addresses people of all backgrounds, inviting them to embrace the message of peace and submission to God. Preservation of knowledge. Islamic civilization has played a crucial role in preserving and advancing knowledge, particularly during the golden age of Islam. Scholars in various fields like science, mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and philosophy made significant contributions to human understanding. Social justice. Islam places a strong emphasis on social justice and caring for the less fortunate. The concept of zakat, obligatory charity, and sadaqah, voluntary giving, encourages Muslims to support the needy and promote economic equality. Women's rights. Islam introduced significant reforms regarding women's rights during the time of the Prophet Muhammad. It granted women inheritance rights, allowed them to own property, and established their dignity and status in society. Community and brotherhood. Islam fosters a sense of brotherhood and unity among its followers. Muslims are encouraged to support and care for one another, transcending racial, ethnic, and social barriers. Focus on education. Education is highly valued in Islam, and seeking knowledge is considered a sacred duty. The saying of the Prophet Muhammad, "Seeking knowledge is obligatory for every Muslim," underscores the importance of intellectual growth. Role in global peace. Islam advocates for peace and reconciliation among individuals and nations. The term, Islam, itself is derived from the Arabic word, salam, which means peace. Muslims are called to be peacemakers and work towards harmony and understanding in the world. Life after death. Islam's belief in the afterlife and the concept of accountability for one's actions in this world motivates its followers to lead a righteous life and strive for goodness. The importance of Islam lies in its profound impact on the lives of over 1 billion Muslims worldwide, shaping their beliefs, practices, and worldview. Moreover, its historical, cultural, and intellectual contributions have left a lasting influence on human civilization.